Hi everyone. So today in this live, I will introduce you a way for you to import and search by specific company. So specific job title within the company or specific people within those company. So two things. Either you do that with Sales Navigator, either you do that with LinkedIn Basics search. The only difference between those two different search methods this is that you have access with 14 more filters with the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So it allows you to be way more precise and have access to very broad information about those people, while with LinkedIn Basic Search, you do not have access to it. So let's dive into it and see how to do that. So this is very simple. Let's start with LinkedIn Basic Search. I open the search bar, press enter, and then this is it. So far, I can search by people, and this is where I have access to the default filter. So by default, I'm filtering out by people that are in my second and third network. But what is really interesting here is we want people in specific company. So let's say I want that company about the lead, all right, lead square. And then I can come and tap my entire list of company that I want to search on. And then it shows a result, and then I have only those people that is uh, showing here. I can of course use other filters such as location and job title, where is the most important. Very interesting is you can type several job titles. So for example, CEO or director, right? And then it takes all the CEO and the directors. However, very important to understand that it do not take, for example, chief executive officer. So if I want this specific keyword as well, I will need to put that into quote mark to ensure we have the exact keyword in the search. All right, so now show result, and we will have the chief executive officer that is showing as well. Because you can see here, for example, some people only have CEO, and you will not find them this way. All right, very good. So this is the thing. You have 12 additional advanced filter. I said 14, but it is actually 12 more filters for Sales Navigator. So let's explore this. So very straightforward. I'm going to be very easy. I do the same. Press enter in the search bar. I open the all filters, and now I can see the entire filters that Sales Navigator allow me to use. If I want to do that for specific companies, I will need to do the same here. But also, let's say, you also can exclude company from Sales Navigator, and then you ensure you do not have those people. And the job title, you can do it in a very advanced way, where you also can include, but it also offer you the possibility to select what job title you want in there. So I can put CEO, maybe not have any effect here because only one company. But this is how you can select the list of your companies that you want to have and only target the people that is working within those companies. Now, if you do not have the list of companies yet, but you're looking for something very specific, you can use Sales Navigator to search for the account themselves and then use that list to filter out later. So let's say, for example, I'm looking for company that is uh, annual revenue, company headcount growth. So what have been the growth of the company in terms of new people, the industry, the company, number of followers, department headcount, and so on. So let's make one for SalesMind itself. We're looking for small 1 to 1,000 company headcount, 1 to 10, 11 to 15 were enough. This is not something we're looking at. We're looking for people in marketing and business consulting. Perfect. Department count, this is not something we're looking at. Not either that. HubSpot, yes, eventually. If we can identify those, that will be great because those people are looking for lead and that's what we're providing. All right. Here I have 31,000 companies that fit the requirements. Now let's see if they have hiring on LinkedIn. Very interesting to see if they're hiring. The recent activity, so if they post or if they have funding in the last 12 months, the connection, CRM, save account. So here, let's say I'm satisfied with that search. I have 500 results. And this is where there is a manual work to do. So here you see that we select 25 in that list, and then I can save, create a new list, SalesMind target. I create and save, and here you go. Now I have 25. You can see one list. This is the list SalesMind target, the one we just created. Now I go step 2, and I do the same. Select, save the list. All right. So eventually you will need to do that for every single page. That's a little bit more manual work, but that still work. And then after, when you have the entire list of companies that fit of what you're looking for, you can either looking for here. So what are the company? Let's say SalesMind target, include or exclude. It works also in the other way around. So if you identify a list of companies that you do not want to target, like your competitors, for instance, you can do this the same way. Let's include that. And here, this is where we can do the same, but it will only search in those companies that I've identified earlier in that list, and I will be able to reuse it again and again and over, and apply all the other filters that I need to apply to my search. I hope that video was helpful for you. If you have any question, please go in the chat or in the comment and ask anything. And if no, let's see next Wednesday for the release 2.3. Very exciting news about that. Also, we are going to share somewhere around the last update about the Black Friday. And if you want to have a glimpse of it, go in the website. You will be surprised. Have a good one.